Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OAuth login with Google for web apps step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Google Cloud Console. If you don't have a project, create a new one by clicking on the Select a Project drop-down. Once your project is created, make sure it is selected. Now, go to the APIs and Services section in the left menu. Click on Library to access the available APIs. In the search bar, type Google People API and select it. Click the Enable button to enable the API for your project. Next, navigate to the Credentials tab on the left side. Click on the Create Credentials button and choose OAuth Client ID. You might be prompted to configure the consent screen first. If so, click on Configure Consent Screen. Select External and click Create. Fill out the application name and user support email. You can also add a logo and other details for a more professional appearance. Save your changes and return to the Credentials tab. Under Application Type, select Web Application. In the Authorized Redirect URIs section, add the URI where users will be redirected after authentication. This is usually your web app URL followed by a specific path. Click Create to generate your credentials. Make sure to note down your client ID and client secret that are displayed. Now, integrate the Google API Client library into your web application. You can do this by including the library via a script tag in your HTML. Add the following script src https://apis.google.com/js/api:/client.js. Initialize the Google API client in your JavaScript code. Use the client ID you obtained earlier to set up the authentication flow. Set scopes to the minimum necessary for your application. Implement the login function using copy.auth2.getAuthInstance.signin. This function should handle the redirection. Make sure to handle the successful login and retrieve user information. Store the user information securely in your application. Finally, test the entire flow to ensure it works as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully set up OAuth login with Google for your web app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.